Hello, Teacher Alon here, and welcome to our audio presentation on thermal equilibrium and heat flow. Today, we'll unravel the mysteries of how heat moves and how objects reach a state of balance known as thermal equilibrium. So let's dive in. Thermal equilibrium occurs when two objects in contact reach the same temperature, and there's no net flow of heat between them. This concept is crucial in understanding how heat moves and distributes in our world. Now, let's talk about how heat flows. Heat always moves from areas of higher temperature to areas of lower temperature. This process continues until thermal equilibrium is achieved and the temperatures of the objects are equalized. One way heat flows is through conduction. This occurs when heat transfers directly between objects that are in physical contact. Imagine placing a cold metal spoon in a hot cup of tea. Heat flows from the tea to the spoon until they reach the same temperature. Another method of heat transfer is convection. Convection happens in fluids like air and water. When a fluid is heated, it becomes less dense and rises, while cooler, denser fluids sinks. This creates a continuous cycle of heat transfer, ensuring even distribution throughout the fluid. Lastly, we have radiation, where heat is transferred through electromagnetic waves. Unlike conduction and convection, radiation doesn't require a medium to travel through. This is how we receive heat from the sun, even though there's empty space between us and it. So how does thermal equilibrium happen? As heat flows between two objects, their temperatures change until they're equalized. Once they reach the same temperature, there's no net flow of heat between them, and thermal equilibrium is achieved. Thermal equilibrium is essential in various aspects of our lives, from maintaining the temperature in our homes to regulating the climate in our environment. It ensures the heat is distributed efficiently and that systems remain stable. In conclusion, thermal equilibrium and heat flow are fundamental concepts that govern how heat moves and distributes in our world. By understanding these principles, we can better control our environment and harness heat for various purposes.